Alright, let's check out what's going on with Bitcoin. So you can see here on the 4 hour for the past week or so, we've been forming this asymmetrical triangle, and on the lower time frames, we did just have a fake out to the downside, which ended up being another higher low from, these lows that we put in across the board down here. And now we're moving back up. We're not only moving back up, but the bears are losing control. We've pumped above the EMA ribbons. We had a fake out below this asymmetrical triangle and a big pump back up to the top of this. And normally, when you see a fake out in one direction, it normally is a good sign that you could see a pump to the upside. A failed move makes for a fast move in the opposite direction. So, we are pumping quite hard right now. Do bear in mind we're still at a crossroads, and we are still going to be potentially getting chopped around in this for another 12 hours or so. So this pattern down here, you can see it will close, or it will finish the apex of this in about 12 hours. So we don't have too long left to wait. Either way, I think a big impulse either to the upside or the downside is coming. You can see if we did follow through with this breakdown, this could carry us down to approximately 38,000, and if we do break to the upside, this would take us all the way back up to 42,500, and this is an important zone to get back above because this was our previous rejection point. And yeah, I'd really like to see a break back above here on the daily time frame as well. You can see this puts us back above the short-term moving average, and it puts us above all of our EMAs in our EMA ribbon, which is very good. So if I make this the short-term moving average slightly thicker, we really need to get above 42, but 42.5 is obviously better. 42.5 to 43, there is going to be strong resistance coming in as well. So yeah, it'd be nice to see this break out your break up target. I'd probably say an hourly close above 40,600, so only another $200. That would definitely be something that I'd be looking to leverage trade to the upside. I think there's good risk to reward ratio on this one coming from the breakout of 40,600. But yeah, I'd want to see at least like an hourly close above 40,600. Either way, getting closes outside of this asymmetrical triangle would be very nice. So do bear in mind, asymmetrical triangles are continuation patterns for the greater trend, and we are in a downtrend, so technically this asymmetrical triangle breakdown is more likely than the breakup. But for all the reasons I stated, because the bears are losing control on the 4 hour, the bulls are actually coming back, which is nice. For all these reasons, I don't actually think we are going to break to the downside, but it is just something to keep in note. And here you can see 0.5 Fibonacci at 39,500. So I did say, in my opinion, this would be a strong bottom. And so far we've come down to the bottom. We've formed an asymmetrical triangle. We're putting in higher lows in the short term. So I'd like to see this break out. Keep your eyes on 40,600. I do think we are going to break up, but do just bear in mind from a technical perspective, if you're just focusing on the asymmetrical triangle, the breakdown is more likely. Nonetheless, I like what we're seeing here. If we come over to the total crypto market cap, you can see in the very lower time frames we've just had a pump on the retest of this EMA of this 0.618 Fibonacci rather. This is the golden pocket at 1.84 trillion, and it was really important that we did break back above this, because now the total crypto market cap might be saved from this daily EMA flip. All in all, I see it playing out on the total crypto market cap as well. If I draw this quickly. Yeah, I mean it's another asymmetrical triangle, so really similar to with Bitcoin, this will be breaking out in the next 12 hours. So either way, I do sense big volatility stepping in for Bitcoin and crypto within the next 12 hours. I think we are going to have a move up, but do bear in mind, if we do come down, then this breakdown target would be predicting a target of approximately 38,000. That's really all I've got for you. I think in the next couple of days we're going to be breaking up to 42,500. Within the next day we'll know if we're breaking out to the upside of this. That's all I've got for you for Bitcoin. We're looking pretty good, but yeah, do bear in mind we're still at a crossroads. We're still stuck in this asymmetrical triangle. I'll update you when we make a decision. And also, we've got a nice little W forming here, potential W. It would be nice to see a breakout before we confirm this. So yeah, that's really all I've got for you for Bitcoin today. Once again, none of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.